So when recording Foley, you might think it's best to record your sounds in a similar sound environment to that depicted in your video. Well, not really. You generally want the quietest and least reverberating recording space you can find. Obviously, ideally, you'd be working in a soundproofed recording studio, but a small room with carpet and where the sound doesn't bounce too much off the walls also works. This means you can get a clean recording, and then if you want to add reverb or delay, you can fine-tune that yourself in your software of choice and not be forced to use whatever reverb you accidentally recorded, because once it's baked into the recording, it's nearly impossible to remove.